He's really following us since long time. You want friends, ah? I didn't go to any gym. This is because of trekking down. కుక్కది పెట్టాలా? కుక్కదేం పెడతారా? అన్నేడి అరే కుక్క అంటే ఈ నగరానికి ఆగు, ఫస్ట్ అక్కడ చూద్దాం. వాటర్ ఫాల్ जाने दे रहा. अच्छा ठीक है ओके ओके. Get down. టర్నింగ్ లో 2 ఫ్లోర్లు ఎక్కుతున్నాం. ఇది 3 ఫ్లోర్లు. ఇది ఎక్కుతాయినా కార్లు. ఇవి కొంచెం రానోడు ఉన్నాడు అనుకో అంతే అవుట్. వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి జాగ్రత్త. కాక తోక దొక్కినామంటే ఎంట పడుతుంది. తోక 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 ఏముంది భయ్యా? ये लोहागढ़ है. अच्छा ये विशापुर. ओके हाँ लोहागढ़ बंद है. कौन सी अच्छा रहता? यही है. अच्छा ट्रैकिंग है. ओह ओके ओके. సార్ వినపడిందా? ట్రెక్కింగ్ అంట. ట్రెక్కింగ్ ఏంది ఏం చేసినావు? चलो चढ़ेंगे सब लोग. हैदराबाद से आए आप लोग भी. हम तो चढ़ेंगे. Hello guys, so we just reached Vistapur Fort and we parked our bikes there, and this is a hotel called Hotel Arush Veg and Non-Veg. So the food is excellent here, like vada pav and egg maggi we ate here, and we have to go all the way till there. So the food is excellent, like you can have the best food here. There are like 3 hotels, and this is the best, and you also have online payments here. Thumbs up for that. So the trekking is of 1 hour it seems. Like we have to go 1 kilometer like straight road. From there we have to climb till the top. Can you see that? So that will take 45 minutes. So 45 minutes of trekking, which is very very hectic, but we have to do just for you. Oh, ఇంత పైన ఉంది భయ్యా, ఇంత హ్యూజ్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ గమనించినట్టయితే ఈ చెట్లు, మొక్కలు, గుట్టలు, ఈ రాళ్ళు, మాణిక్యాలు, ఈ బురద చూసావా? అరే ఎంత బురద ఉంది భయ్యా. From now the trekking starts. We have to go all the way from this side till the top.
ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కలే కొండలు? రాలేదు కాదు, ఎప్పుడు ఎవరు కొండలు ఎక్కలేదా?
Very steep bro. Dog is also coming with us. వస్తున్నా మాతో పడ్డా.
వెళ్ళు
చాలా స్లోగానే వెళ్ళాలి. జస్ట్ బీ స్లో. ఇఫ్ యూర్ గోయింగ్ ఫాస్ట్ out of excitement you'll lose more energy. This dog is watching out for us. Seriously, there are monkeys. It came and it just this dog just scared away these monkeys. Oh, ఇంకొక పేరు పెట్టండి రా. టామీ కాదు. ఓయ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ స్కేరింగ్ ద మంకీస్. పవన్ అంట. वाटर ट्रेकिंग पूरा ऊपर तक चला गया आप? अच्छा है. जाना पाथ डिफिकल्ट है?
नहीं इजी है.
इजी है. ये थोड़ी इजी नहीं दिख रहा हमको.
नहीं बहुत
इजी है.
अच्छा,
उतरना डिफिकल्ट है.
या
लेफ्ट साइड में जाना, राइट साइड जाना, ज़्यादा ऊपर.
हाँ,
राइट साइड जाना, लेफ्ट साइड मत जाना.
ओके. हाँ. अरे दीपक, इधर आड़ वరకు పోయినా till this height and there is a waterfall here. Deepak is here and we have water flow also. You have to be very careful.
So slippery.
But I'm enjoying it definitely. But when you want to go down in the return journey, I think it is really risky. He's really following us since long time. You want friends, ah? Even I want friends like you. Water पी लो, पानी पी लो, जाओ पानी पी लो, पानी पी लो, पानी पी लो यार, हम तो थक गए. Okay, we did it till here, which is okay, but look at this. How to climb this, guys? Okay, I'll do it. This dirty thing मुझे पकड़ लिया इसने. Seriously, what a trekking, guys. You should have guts to do this, because you have to go till there and we are not even half the distance and I'm vlogging. Okay, I climbed it, I made it. తెలుగు ఏవో ఎక్కడ మీరు? హైదరాబాద్. అచ్చా, కూల్. How did you guys come? Huh? Cab? No, not Delhi, from Hyderabad. Car. Okay. We came on bikes. Same to you. Same to you, thank you. So guys, we finally reached almost till the top. Feels really great. Look at the height. Woo! Some case kind of thing. Deepak! Da? I'm going inside this, whatever. Wow. I'm a little scared. Woo! Can the GoPro capture it? Yeah, it is capturing. What is this? Water. Let's go out. almost reached the top. Now we have flat land to cover. You on the view? యా ఇదంతా ఫ్లాట్ ల్యాండ్ కదా, ఒక చాలా కిలోమీటర్స్ నడవాలి. సూపర్. వి రీచ్ ద టాప్. వి రీచ్ ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ లోహాగఢ. ఇదేంది లోహాగఢ్?
విసాపూర్.
విసాపూర్. వి రీచ్ ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ విసాపూర్ ఫోర్ట్.
Bye friends.
We three are here. Remaining two guys went somewhere.
But it was a good experience, bro. I'll
జస్ట్ పట్టుకో. చిరుగాడు అసలు చెయ్యి కూడా ఇయ్యాడు. ఏమయ్యా నువ్వు ఇట్టున్నావు, ఎట్ట బతుకుతావా ఎట్ట? మళ్ళీ చందానగర్లో ఉంటాడు మాతో పాటు.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
ఏమన్నంటే ఇది ఒకటి అంటాడు. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
వాటర్ తాగండి, కొండెక్కుతున్నారుగా.
వావ్.
टाइम पास व्लॉग. ये विसापुर फोर्ट. कुछ बोलेगे चाहे अम्मा? इधर देखने के लिए कुछ खास जगह है? तोपा है.
Both are equal. Waterfall. We fall.
We can fall.
అదే అంటారా, we fall. Okay. So I guess this is a swimming pool of Prince and Princess, Raja and Rani. Maybe, just maybe.
Pond.
Yeah, it's a pond where చిలికత్తెలు స్నానం చేస్తారు కదా. ఓహో. It is really good, yaar. Superb. I am really loving it. Very peaceful in the top, and the trekking is next level.
వాటర్ ఉన్నాయంట, కానీ వాటర్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయంట. అయినా కానీ చూద్దాం. అక్కడ దిగేటప్పుడు చుక్కలు కనిపిస్తాయి.
ఎక్కడ దిగేటప్పుడు?
అవునవును, అక్కడ దిగేటప్పుడు
జారిపోతారా?
ఎక్కి దిగేసిన ఉంటానే. అట్లానా? నన్ను అడుగు. See that guy? Number one bullshit guy. He does room.
అగో మెల్ల పెట్టు, లేదంటే కొంచెం జారుతుంది అనిపిస్తే వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, రిటర్న్ వెళ్ళిపో. We have to, the water is coming on the floor, so try to get down like this sideways, okay, so that you can get more grip.
Audio Jungle.
On the top of Vistapur Fort. This is a watch area of this fort, I guess. Excellent locations. Heading back down. Excellently enjoyed. Very much. I didn't go to any gym. This is because of trekking down. Wow, what is this view, man? Take a screenshot of it. Excellent, right? So we are here at Lohagarh and what is that place, yaar? I'm forgetting its name always. Info Drive, eh? Visapur, okay. Okay, we are here at Visapur. I'm forgetting its name all the time. It feels really good. We did a lot of trekking, like almost more than half an hour, like 45 minutes maybe. We did a trekking, then we reached this place. Actually, we did came back again, not this way, but I don't know where this leads. But there are few steps where we came to the opposite direction of the hill. So this is the fort. We came from the other side and we came till here. And we are now here, just relaxing mode on. Deepak, baggy. Yeah, you have to enjoy all these by your own. I'm just showing it in my channel so that you can also personally come visit this place. I'm just reviewing it, so you can come by your own and you can enjoy it by yourself. And how is your experience, man? The trekking and the location.
Till now I have done.
Yeah, he's a Keralite. You know how many hill stations they have, and he's telling that this is the best in Pune. Very good. And how is the fort like area?
There's not much of a fort. It's total hill, and there are old structures, the walls and canyons, and you can see the canyons at the top.
Okay.
It's all old, and it has become old, and it's nice. Must visit.
Must visit. Definitely must visit place. You can have a lot of fun. Baggy. I want you to definitely visit this place at least once in your life. Because Pune, that is really very famous place in in whole India, I guess. See, we are literally straight to the clouds. That you can see that cloud, right? It is exactly straight to this camera angle. What else can be the coolest thing? Like it. If you really enjoyed my video, my trekking video and the hill, please leave a comment and like my video, and also please subscribe because lot more are coming. Okay, bye. Vishnu Reddy Vlogs.